Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to our Presto learning classes. This is your English mentor Yashika. Today we are going to discuss about RBI Assistant exam. This is introduction class in which we are going to cover all about RBI Assistant exam. Like एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न क्या रहेगा, कितने क्वेश्चंस हमें सॉल्व करने होंगे, कितने टाइम फ्रेम में, सिलेबस क्या रहेगा, कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स कवर होंगे, ये सभी हम इस वीडियो में जानेंगे. सो नाउ लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फर्स्ट इज इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज में आपको नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस 30 दिए होंगे जो कि आपको 20 मिनट्स के टाइम ड्यूरेशन में कवर करना होगा. सेकेंड इज न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी. Number of questions 35, maximum marks that is also 35 and duration would be 20 minutes. Third is reasoning ability. Number of questions would be 35, maximum marks that is 35, duration also is 20 minutes. Total questions होंगे 100 marks के होंगे. Total duration आपका 1 hour का रहेगा. Now next is what syllabus we are going to cover about in RBI Assistant exam. That first is reading comprehension. It is like a passage in which you have to read that passage and answer the questions which are given below. Now second is cloze test. Third is word swap. Fourth is fillers. Fifth is sentence improvement. Sixth is spotting errors. 7 is paragraph completion. 8 is synonym and antonym. 9 is connector. 10th is vocabulary. 11th is phrase replacement. 12 is word association. 13 is para jumbles. 14 is spelling errors. 15 would be fill in the blanks. 16 is column based fillers, and last is sentence connectors. That all the syllabus, all the topics we have to cover in RBI Assistant exam in English subject, English language subject. Now our today's motivation note is believe in yourself. आपको अपने ऊपर बिलीव रखना होगा. Then only you can clear exams. Your today's effort will create your success tomorrow. आपका आज का एफर्ट ही आपका कल डिसाइड करेगा कि आपने आज कितनी मेहनत करी है. उस बेसिस पे आपका कल डिसाइड होगा कि आपने एक्चुअली में कितनी मेहनत की है आपके आने वाले कल के लिए. Thanks for understanding, for joining us. If this video helped you out, do like and subscribe and join our Presto learning classes. Have a great day. Thank you.